Good morning, students. Welcome back to the Suraj Group of Education. This is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School, Mahendragarh, and we were discussing about the determiners, students. So last video I told you about the article determiners, and about the article determiners. If I talk about the parts of determiners, the article determiners. So the definite article the is going on. So today also we discuss about the definite article the. Definite article there. I told you some of the rules in last video and some more remaining. Definite article. So the rules which were remaining in last video, today we will discuss those rules. So with the name of heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies or planets. With the name of heavenly bodies or planets, we will use the article like the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth. So with the name of heavenly bodies or with the name of unique things or with the name of planets, we will use the article the sun, the moon, the Neptune, the Mars, the stars, the earth and the stars, etc. So these are the name of planets or unique things. That's why I have used here the article. Next, so dear students, you have to learn these rules and you have to practice at home. If you practice and there is a proverb of saying in English that practice makes a man perfect. So if you practice these words, these rules again and again, so definitely you will learn this topic. Heavenly bodies and with the name of direction. With the name of directions like the east, the west. So in any sentence, if you find the name of these things, you will use the article. The east, the west, the north, the south, the east west, the north south, the southern hemisphere. So like this, whenever you find the name of these things, you will use the articles. Next, with the name of religious community. Religious community. With the name of religious community ho or nation. With the name of nation, the word which denotes nation or political parties. Political parties. The name of political parties, religious community, nation. So always we will use the with the name of these words. Religious community, community, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Christians. These are the community. So with the name of religious community, with the name of community, any community, community के name से पहले always we will use the article. And if I talk about the nation, so nation, nation, the English, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Russian, these are the name of these the words which shows nationality. The Indian, the Russian, the Chinese, the Russian, the Japanese. So all these words which shows the nationality, जो nationality show करते हैं, so before those words we will use the article. And with the name of political parties, there are so many political parties like BJP, AAP, Congress. So whenever you find the name of political parties, so you will use always the article, the Congress, the AAP, the BJP, or there are so many political parties, so with the all political parties we will use the article. Clear? He belongs to Congress. So it is the name of party. It is the name of party. So we will use here the. So like this, always we will use. Next rule. With the superlative degrees. Superlative degree and sometimes comparative degrees. Comparative degree. So dear students, listen carefully. Superlative degree always takes the article. Superlative degree always takes, but comparative degrees sometimes take. When comparative degree or comparative adjective shows selection out of 2. When comparative degrees shows selection out of 2, then we will use the article. Otherwise, with the superlative degrees, always we will use the article. Like, she is most beautiful girl in the group. She is most, much more, most ऐसे डिग्री होती है. So most is the superlative degree. That's why I am using here that. And he is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest also superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. So always with the superlative degree we will use the article. And comparative degrees, she got more marks out of 2. Out of 2. More, much more, most. It is the comparative degree. And out of 2, दो में से. So it shows selection. So before this comparative degree we will use the. There are so many examples. You can take more any other example also. She is blank space bigger out of 2 girls. 2 girls में से she is the more or taller, लंबी है, बड़ी है, bigger है. So like this, whenever comparative degree shows selection of 2, so we always use the article. With the name of ordinal numbers. Next, ordinal numbers. Like the first, second, third, last, first, third, fifth, fourth, fifth, whatever, and so on. These are the ordinal numbers. Clear? Next, with the name of monuments. With the name of monuments. The Taj, the Gulmohar, the India Gate, the Red Fort. So like this, all the monuments take the article. Clear? The Taj Mahal. whenever you find the name of any monuments in the sentence, so you have to use the article. Next, with the name of musical instrument. Musical instrument. With the name of musical instrument, whenever you find any name of any musical instrument like the tabla, the harmonium, the piano, the dholak, so these are the instrument, musical instrument. So musical instrument always take the article, and along with it, with the name of disease. So as you know, with the name of all disease, we don't use article, and disease, the name of disease don't take the article, but some of the disease which take the article, like, so listen carefully, all disease, the name of all disease we don't use the article, and disease, the name of disease don't take any article, but some of the disease which always take the article, like mumps, measles, rickets, इस तरह से. So there are 3 or 4 name of 3 or 4 diseases which take the article. Clear students? Next, हमने सुपरलेटिव डिग्री बताया, और हेवनली बॉडीज, प्लैनेट्स के नेम, शिप, ट्रेन्स, कैनल्स, डेजर्ट्स, एंड नेक्स्ट रूल. वन मोर I have recollected now, that proper noun. Proper noun. As you know, proper noun doesn't take any noun in general sense. In general sense, we don't use any article with the name of proper nouns. But in specific sense, we will use the article. Look here, I will give you example. So through these examples, we will learn. Dear students, material noun, material, proper, and abstract noun. These nouns don't take any article in general sense. General sense, we don't use any article with the name of these nouns. But if these nouns are used in special sense, in specific sense, whenever these are used in specific sense, we will use the article. Look here, I will give you example. I am giving you material. Material nouns, water है, gold, silver, diamond, and sugar, tea. These are the name of material, matter. So material noun don't take any article in general sense, but in specific sense. In specific sense, these nouns take the article. Like blank space, gold is costly. Here there is dash, so we have to use here an article, but it is the name of material. It is the name of matter, and it is material noun. So here no article is used. No article is used. We will not use any article here because it is the name of matter, and it is material noun. Before the material noun, in general sense, we will not use any article. But if it is used in specific sense or in special sense, so we will use. Look here, dash, gold of my ring is very costly. Gold of my ring is very costly. Here I used gold, but in this sentence also there is a word or name of metal, gold. It is the same word, but here it is in general sense, but here it is in special sense. How? बिकॉज इट इज माई रिंग, मेरी रिंग का जो गोल्ड है दैट इज वेरी कॉस्टली है। ये तो आपको कॉमन सेंस थी, जनरल सेंस थी कि कोई सारा गोल्ड, जो भी गोल्ड है मेटल का नेम है। हियर कोई स्पेशल गोल्ड है कि मेरी रिंग का है, उसकी रिंग का है, उसके नेकलेस का है। सो माई रिंग्स गोल्ड इज वेरी कॉस्टली, so here it is special, that's why I am using here the. Clear? So it is the example of material noun. If I talk about proper, so you know very well proper noun don't take any article, because proper noun is the name of proper or special thing, the proper person, place or thing, like Ram, Shyam, Geeta, Mohan, January, Monday, Sunday. These are the proper name of the thing, place or person. Proper name, blank space or dash, you can say Ram is my ideal. Ram is my ideal, मेरे आदर्श है. So here, so will you use here any article? No, we will not use any article because it is in general sense. Or no, sorry, because it is in general sense or proper noun, name of the proper person. And if I change this sentence like here, Ram of Ramayana is my ideal. So here the name of proper person, here Ram in general sense, but here it is in specific sense. रामायणा वाला राम जो है he is my ideal, here use that. Like it is proper noun, and like this abstract noun also, if I talk about dash or blank space, honesty is the best policy. So here it is in general sense, honesty is the best policy, so no article use here. And if I use here dash, the dash honesty of मोहन इज एडमायरेबल. सो वहां पर मोहन की पर्टिकुलर होगी, पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की ऑनेस्टी, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल यूज हियर दैट. So like this you have to learn or cram all these rules and practice at home. There are maybe some rules or also are remaining, but we will discuss those rules in any other video. So that's all for today. Thank you.